The next task in revising a paper is to modify text on the second page of the document. Okay, you want to copy text from one location to another on the second page. Okay, so we're going to view, and we're going to open the navigation pane here. Okay, and this allows us to browse through pages in a document. Okay, so we're going to go to pages here, and we can go and press the second page if necessary. Okay, and then we're going to look at it, and we're going to press close. Okay, now we're going to practice copying, cutting, and pasting. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to go to finding volume here. We're going to select it, and we're going to go to the Home tab and press Copy. Okay, that puts it on something called the clipboard. So it copies that, puts it in the clipboard so we can do something with that. Now we're going to go right next to maximum here, and we're going to click on Paste. Okay, another way we can do that, to copy you could do Control-C on your keyboard. To paste could be Control-V on your keyboard. Okay, now if you click on paste options, which was this box that came up, we can change the different options, okay? And we're not going to do that, so we're going to leave it how it is. Okay, now we can find text in our document. So if we think that we put something in but we couldn't remember, or if we need to find where you put something, you go to Find. Okay, the navigation pane is going to come up. Okay, now we're going to type in portable, because did we put that word in here? We did. It's right here, and it selects it for us. Okay, we'll close the pane. Now we're going to replace text. So if we were like, oh, I put in portable so many times, and I don't want to use the word portable, or maybe I want to use less of the same word, or whatever, we're going to go to replace, and we're going to find all of the words that say portable, and we're going to place with mobile. And this author is like, nah, I don't like the word portable, so we're just going to replace all. And we made one replacement. Now you want to make sure you search from the beginning and press OK. All right. What we can also do is add a find and insert a synonym. So what that means, it could be a synonym is like a similar word to that word that maybe that means almost the same thing, and use a thesaurus to look up synonyms. So you have those features as well in Word. So we're going to find lesson, help to lesson, because we don't want that word. We're going to right click, and we're going to go to synonyms. So we could go to diminish, we could do reduce, decrease, decline, lower. Okay. If you want to go to this thesaurus, you can see some more. I want to find minimize. Okay. That's the word I want. Okay. And we'll go ahead and press. Oh, that didn't do it. Synonyms, thesaurus, minimize. Oh, there we go. Go to minimize. Go to this little arrow here, insert. Because you click on minimize, it'll look for synonyms for minimize, and keep going. You'll just go into a big circle. And it would be really annoying. Okay, click out of that. Now we're going to check spelling and grammar all at once. Okay, you press Control Home to get to the beginning of the document, and we're going to check the entire document for spelling and grammar. Now, spoiler alert, there will be at least one, okay, because we did that on purpose, remember? We're going to go to Review, Spelling and Grammar. This is also where the thesaurus is if you ever need it. And it says S-O-L-D. That was not, it's not should, it's not sold, it's not should. Okay, it's sound. Change. Okay. Now the next one is Padro. Padro is a proper noun, it's a name. Okay. I know people that have this all the time, so we're just gonna ignore all. Okay, and then it says spelling and grammar check is complete. You're good to go. Okay, you can set. There's also custom dictionaries. You can add like a proper noun as a dictionary word if you want. Um, you can do that. If you want to view or modify entries in custom dictionary, you can go to File, Options, Proofing, and it's right here, Custom Dictionaries, and you can add them or whatever you need to do. Okay. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look up information. Okay. So if you're connected to the internet, this will work. If you're not, then it's not going to work well. You can use the Insights task pane to search through various forms of reference information, including images on the web, or look up the definition of a word. Okay. So we're going to position the insertion point next to headphones. So we're going to do this one right here. Okay. And we are going to go to Review Insights. Where's that at? I don't think I have that. I don't think I have that. Huh. I don't think I have that. Review Insights. Okay. So that's awkward. So I don't have that. I think it's because, you know what? I think it's because it's disabled in this version. This is from the school version. So if you have that same problem, don't worry about it. You're not going to really add it into your document. What you would do is you would use the Insights tab, and it'd bring you a pane up here. Okay, similar to this. Okay, and you could see images of headphones if you wanted. I just prefer open up Google. But that's just me. You can zoom multiple pages. If you want, you can display your formatting marks like you always could. Hide them if you need to. You could zoom multiple pages, view multiple pages. You can see all your pages all at once. Zoom to 100%. Change the page width if you want. You can change read mode color. This is pretty cool. Oops, I just finessed myself. Change my read mode color. I'm going to go to the status bar down here. Go to read mode. That's pretty cool. I can change the page color. No, I can't. I'll have to change the column layout. My bad. I need to go to. How do I do that? Oh, there we go, layout. Oh, come on. View. Page color. Now I can change it to sepia, or I can change it to inverse. Whoa. Okay, but I'm going to change it back to none. Change it back to. I can have it read aloud. Jason Felt. No, it's talking to me. It's talking to me. No. Okay, go away. I should not be hearing voices in my head. That's not normal. Okay, now we're gonna save. So if you're listening to this, you're probably Mr. Felt. You're insane. All right, so we're gonna save. Okay. So just a summary. Okay, you learned how to modify styles. You learned how to adjust line and paragraph spacing. You know how to use headers to number pages, insert citations, add sources, add footnotes, create a bibliographical list of sources, update a field, go to a page, copy and paste text, find and replace text, check on spelling, grammar, local information. Your English teacher is going to be so proud of you, and so is probably your history teacher and everyone else that assigns you a paper and looks and is like, "Whoa, kid, you just came up with an awesome formatted MLA paper." Okay, so just some closing information for you. So what decisions will you need to make when creating your next research paper? So here's some guidelines for you outside of this class. Bless me. I wonder how that sounded on the mic. Or just sneezed. Okay, the first one, you want to select a topic. So you guys are going to have to have you're going to have a research paper you're going to have to make on emerging technologies, and we'll talk about that later. So you're going to have to spend time brainstorming ideas for that topic. So I'll give you, for example, I might give you the topic of emerging technologies, and I might give you examples of emerging technologies you have to research, like 3D printing or 3D printing, biometrics, stuff like that. Choose a topic you find interesting. If you have a shorter paper, like a 1 to 2 page paper, narrow the scope of the topic. So figure out something maybe about 3D printing or biometrics that solves a problem. So you could say maybe like Disney World uses biometrics to keep track of who actually comes into their parks. For longer papers, you can broaden the scope, so you can be a little more vague. You can come up with multiple topics or whatnot. Then you're going to identify a tentative thesis statement, which is a sentence describing the paper's subject matter. Then you're going to research that topic and take notes, and being careful not to plagiarize. Okay, remember, I'm going to put your paper through a plagiarism checker that will tell me if you plagiarized. So if you're caught plagiarizing, I'm sorry, that's your own fault. Okay. Then you're going to organize your notes into related concepts, identifying all main ideas and supporting details in an outline. Write the first draft from the outline, referencing all sources of information and following all guidelines. Then you're going to create that list of sources using the format specified, and then you're going to insert that bibliography and proofread and revise the paper. Okay, so I will talk to you guys more about your project at a later date. If you have any questions, come see me. But that is the end of this lesson. So thank you for listening, and good luck.